Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add header and footer in PowerPoint presentation. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add header and footer in PowerPoint presentation. When you are in your project, click Insert. After that, click on header and footer. And here, just you can add the information. For example, here, update automatically. And here, slide number. And here, footer. For example, type design pro guide. And if you want to apply it to all the pages, just click apply to all. And if you want to apply to some of the slide, just click apply. Okay, then I will apply it to all the slides. Just click apply to all. And you can see here, Design Pro Guide, this first slide. And here the second slide, you can see. And here the final slide, you can see here, Design Pro Guide. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add header and footer in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.